I decided to focus this prototype assignment on a way that we can implement a design solution to a problem that we see often in online classes. I'm going to kind of focus in on how we can use this prototype to encourage interactivity and communications between peers and professors while using Canvas when you're when you're enrolled in an online class. I think a major problem that many people in online classes experience is that they don't talk to each other, they don't interact with each other because the main form of communication is through email, and that's just very formal and kind of a lot of work, whereas just sending a quick text or message that's very casual, I think would encourage and increase communication between peers and their professors in these classes, which would as a result would increase interactivity between these people. So I drew a quick prototype to just kind of give a sketch of what I'm thinking. And so this kind of resembles a lot of Facebook Messenger, just in Canvas. So as you can see here, this is the same basic setup that Canvas has right now, with the different buttons that you can press, and you can pick your courses, and you can touch the buttons that you want to see, assignments, announcements, whatever. This same setup over here, but what's different is adding an IM function on the side of Canvas that's not there right now. And this function basically just has names of the students in your classes that are online at that moment. And so if that's the case, then you can just click on their name, whoever it is, and it says that they're active, and you can just send a message right then and there, just like a text that's over Canvas. And then you could just communicate real fast and just send each other questions that you may have, or just any other type of interaction you want to do. And then also professors in online classes, they can have encourage interaction and even have more group assignments, possibly because it's easier to communicate with the students, whereas right now there's really no form of communication unless you either send them an email, which may take a while to get a response because not everybody checks their emails constantly, or you have to find a time to meet up and meet face to face, which is also very hard because everybody has different conflicting schedules, and so it could be really hard to find a time where everybody can meet up. And so I think seeing this prototype and how it has been successful in other places, I think this form of this design could really solve the problem that Canvas has and online classes have with the lack of interactivity, and it could also just increase the way people talk to each other and just hopefully communicate more as the class goes on.